Hello everyone, today we are going to fix the vibrator of iPhone 7. As you can hear the sound, so we are going to show you that how we can fix it. So we will use this type of screwdriver to remove this two screws, this one and this one. Then we will use a pry tool to take off the screen from the frame. So gently, like this, and then like this. So be careful that you don't damage your screen. You have to be careful a little bit. Oh, here is the vibrator. As you can see, it's like there are no screws at all. That's why it's doing like this. See? So we are going to install some screws. So for that we will use this type of screwdriver. The screws are here inside the phone, so just take it, and the other screw is here. And this is the third screw. Here you go. Now you see, you hear the voice. So the vibration and the sound is disappear now. Now it's good. Close the phone back. Install the screws back. There is no sound. Thank you very much for watching. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it, share and like for support. Thank you very much.